Hi, and welcome to our show,
What to Do.
What to Do. This show is about finding some fun stuff to do that's usually the big F, free. Today's location is going to be
Wilmore, Kentucky.
Kentucky. Most people think that Kentucky is full of beer, bourbon, and horses, which is mostly true. But there's also some really awesome stuff here that is free. And also some restaurants.
And healthy.
No, the restaurants are not healthy, but they're really good. So that's the main point, is that they're good.
So come along with us as we travel. And cut.
So we're going to our very first place, which is called Jessamine Creek Gorge. It is in Wilmore, Kentucky. Of the few that we've seen, it's one of my favorites. There are a few things that you're going to need for this trip. First, in my opinion, sunglasses.
Yeah.
Second, you need sunscreen. Third, you need a towel because you will be walking down in a creek. And speaking of walking in a creek, you're going to need some water shoes or Crocs if you're into that.
You can go barefooted, but it's kind of dangerous.
It kind of hurts my feet when I go barefoot.
True
Or
that.
you could do Chacos because I like Chacos. Is there anything else?
And some water. Because
Yes.
you don't want to drink
The
the
most
creek water.
important is water. Also, this hiking place is not 100% safe. As with all things outdoors, it does have a little bit of danger involved, so I would suggest not bringing animals because there are cliffs, and not bringing small children because there are cliffs. So this is the beginning of the trail of the Jessamine Creek Gorge. As you can see, it's gorgeous with all of these flowers everywhere because it's summertime, and in summertime there's flowers everywhere. So before you hit the creek, you're gonna go on this trail, and this trail is awesome except for when it rains. It gets really, really muddy. Minty fresh! You'll all of a sudden find yourself at a creek, and you're gonna follow this creek all the way downstream until you hit the waterfall.
And here are the crawdads, the medium size. Oh, they don't like to be disturbed.
This place is an awesome place to find some Kentucky wildlife, so keep your eyes peeled, whatever that means.
Even though it's a hot day, still since we're in the creek, it's a little bit cooler. So we were walking in the woods, and lo and behold, we found this kind of formation in the rock. It's just wild. Hey Will, how cold is the water?
What'd you say?
We finally made it to the waterfall! Okay, people, we finally made it to the waterfall! And I'm actually serious this time! Once you make it to the waterfall, there's this opening on the right side, and this is the part where you have to be pretty careful with, since this is the steepest part.
You just come down this way, and boom! You have the most gorgeous waterfall.
And And as a side note, there is a creek behind this waterfall that you can play in that has a lot deeper water. Thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to
Like
and
subscribe for
and
all the videos to come. You have the opportunity to get in on the ground floor.
the ground
First
floor.
video.
Yeah, so like it now.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna have better stuff later.
Yeah.
So
there you go.
yeah. Bye.